Hello, my dear students. Very good morning to all. Hope you all are fine and safe, staying at your home only. Today, we have to start the chapter from her. I would tell her. I would tell her English words. What is her I? The author. And what is the her? That is for the grandmother. I would tell her English words and little things of Western science and learning. What about that? I told her about the Western science, ki what is there in the Western cultures, what I am learning in my school, like learning in the law of gravity. Okay, and here is the Archimedes principles, the world being round, etc. Why the world is round? Okay, why the earth is round? What are the arcs? Okay, doing this made her happy, and even she became happy also after listening these things. She could not help me with my lessons. Ki why the grandmother was not able to help him? Because now he was going in an English medium school and grandmother don't know about the English. She did not believe in the things they taught at the English school and was distressed that there was no teaching about God and scriptures. And even his grandmother was very much upset. Do you know why? Because she thinks that she always said that ki in the school of yours, in your new school, there are no lessons for God and scriptures. So I am very much distressed about it. One day I announced that we were being given music lessons, and even one day I told to my grandmother that we are also meaning to say we are also learning music in our school. She was very disturbed. She just become very distressed, disturbed and sad. To her, music had lewd associations. And what she think? What was the thinking of grandmother? That music is for the lower class people, not for us. It was the monopoly of harlots and beggars. जो भिखारी होते हैं, झुग्गी झोपड़ी वाले होते हैं, उनके लिए है ये. And not mean for gentle folk. Mean to say the people like us had no meaning for the music. She said nothing, but her silence meant disapproval. She said nothing. Even she did not say anything to him. But her silence means disapproval, that she did not like music. She rarely talked to me after that. Even after listening that I am getting music lessons in my school, even she just rarely talked to me. Sometimes only she talked to me. She did not talk with me regularly. Okay, when I went up to university, I was given a room for my of my own. When I was just given to the university, when I was shifted in the bachelors, when I just started to go to the college, then I was having my separate room. The common link of friendship was snapped. Now it was just broken. My grandmother accepted her seclusion with resignation. She accepted कि what is happening with me. That is my luck. Okay. She rarely left her spinning wheel to talk to anyone. She always do the spinning on the wheel. What she was having charkha kaatती रहती थी. From sunrise to sunset, she sat by her wheel spinning and reciting prayer. What she do from morning to evening? Sunrise to sunset means from morning to evening. What she do? She always do the spinning on her wheel. And what she do? Just reciting the prayer only in the afternoon she relaxed for a while to feed the sparrows. In the afternoon only she take a little break for feeding the sparrows. While she sat in the veranda breaking the bread into little bits, what she do? In the veranda she used to sit there and just cut the breads into little bits, little bites, छोटी छोटी bites के अंदर. Hundreds of little birds collected round her, creating a veritable bedlam of chirpings. Mean to say a sound that is very much strange, a sound that can't be even listened on a casual occasions. Okay, on the casual days it is just that special type of sounds. Okay, that is the regularly happening with the grandmother. Some came and perched on her legs. Some even birds came on her legs, and some others on her shoulders, on the shoulders also. Some even sat on her head, even some on the head also. She smiled but never shooed them away. वो हंसती थी लेकिन उन्हें कभी भगाती नहीं थी. It used to be the happiest half hour of the day for her. What was the happiest half hour for the day for the grandmother? The happiest hour for the grandmother was to feed the sparrows, and when the sparrow used to sit on her head, shoulder, and legs. Okay. When I decided to go to abroad for further studies, when I decided that I'll go abroad, I'll go the foreign on in the foreign country for my further studies, I was sure my grandmother would be very upset. I was sure that my grandmother would be surely upset. I would be away for 5 years because I am going for the 5 years, and at her age, one could never tell. And even at this age, no, she will not even tell that she is distressed. But my grandmother could. She was not even sentimental. Now she is not even sentimental. She came to leave me at the railway station but did not talk or show any emotion. Even she came to drop me also, but she did not show any emotion. Her lips moved in prayer. Her mind was lost in prayer. What her lips was doing? Moving in the prayer. Mean to say she was reciting the prayer. What her mind was doing? Her mind was lost in the prayer. Her fingers were busy telling the beads of her rosary जो उसने माला ली हुई थी उसको ऐसे से जप रही थी. Silently she kissed my forehead. What she do? She kissed my forehead, and when I left, I cherished the moist imprint as perhaps the last sign of physical contact between us. Mean to say, जब कोई बुजुर्ग पारी करता है आपके फेस के ऊपर, जब कभी कोई किस करता है, तो कभी कभी उनके मुंह में से कोई लार निकलती है, तो जब वो चीज़ जो है वो सलाइवा जो है उसके साथ टच हुआ उसकी फेस के साथ, तो उसने सोचा कि ये मेरा और मेरी जो है ग्रैंड मदर का एक लास्ट फिजिकल कॉन्टेक्ट था. बट मीन टू से दैट वाज जस्ट द physical contact, last one that I am going from here. But that was not so. After 5 years I came back home, and this is the incident for the after 5 years. After 5 years I came back home and was met by her at the station, and even I met her at the station only, and she did not look a day older. She was looking like that I go from there. Okay, mean to say, when I left her, then also she was looking like this, and now I came here, that also she is looking like this. Okay, and she still had no time for words. Now also she is not having time for words. While she clasped me in her arms, उसने मुझे hug किया मेरी grandmother ने. I could hear her reciting her prayers. Now also what she was doing? Reciting the prayer. Even on the first day of my arrival, her happiest moments were with her sparrows, whom she fed longer and with frivolous rebukes. Mean to say, पूरी के पूरे दिलो जान से जो वो करती थी, वो क्या करती थी? स्पैरोज को खाना खिलाती थी. चाहिए मेरा फर्स्ट डे था वहाँ से आने का, फिर भी उन्होंने स्पैरोज को अपना टाइम दिया. नेक्स्ट, इन द इवनिंग अ चेंज केम ओवर हर. इन द इवनिंग अ चेंज केम ओवर हर. दैट वॉट वॉज, शी डिड नॉट प्रे. She did not pray on that evening. She collected the women of the neighborhood, got an old drum, and started to sing. What she do? Just bring an old drum and started to sing. And she just collected all the women, those are living in the neighborhood. पड़ोसियों की जो भी औरतें थी उनको सबको बुलाया उसने. For several hours she thumped the sagging skins of dilapidated drum and sang of the homecoming of warriors. Mean to say, when the warriors comes home, those type of song she sang on that day. We had to pursue. And what was the meaning of that is skin of dilapidated drum. Mean to say, what was the old drum na, on the skin of that. Okay, like this or like this, can be any. Saying of the homecoming warriors, we had to pursue her to stop to avoid overstraining, because she was doing to be overstraining was there, stress हो रहा था बहुत ज़्यादा. That was the first time since I had known her that she did not pray. And even what her grandson say कि that is, this is the first time when I just saw my grandmother that she is not doing prayer. And my dear student, this one we will complete in the next lecture. We will discuss about the question answer also in the next lecture, and this one also. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, bye bye, take care.